Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. Welcome to a woodworking project that's all about enhancing your audio experience. This DIY subwoofer box may look like a standard rectangular enclosure on the outside, but inside, it's designed as a horn, carefully crafted to optimize bass performance. This design principle helps in efficiently transferring the energy from the speaker to the air, resulting in a more impactful and immersive bass experience. Join me as we dive into the art of woodworking and audio engineering, creating a piece that not only looks sleek, but also delivers deep, rich bass like never before. You can download the free PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description. The horn shape allows for more efficient transfer of energy from the speaker to the air, resulting in deeper and more impactful bass. The design can increase the sound pressure levels, providing a more immersive audio experience, especially in larger spaces. The horn design helps to better control the low-frequency sound waves, leading to a more accurate and defined bass response. Despite its internal horn shape, the subwoofer box maintains a compact and space-saving external rectangular form, making it easier to integrate into existing audio setups.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.